Welcome, in today's video I'm gonna show you the LineUp's smokes for the short on the Dust2 map. So at first, check if the city is not here, go to this corner, stack yourself, and as you can see these wires and the window where they intersect, I'm just like me, and use left click. Then go to the doors, to the middle of these doors, find this mark on the wall and use the left click. These two smokes allows you to push the short and don't worry about the long. You can pick here and only check the A side, then you are safe to go. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!